Bullish Uni value expectation is $8.13 to $12.57. Uniswap cost could likewise reach $25 soon. Bearish Uni cost expectation for 2022 is $3.53. In Uniswap cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Uni to break down the future development of the digital currency. Uniswap current market status. The cost of Uniswap is $6.47 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $150,599,502 at the hour of composing. In any case, Uni has expanded by 2.61% as of now. Besides, Uniswap has a coursing supply of 762,209,327 Uni. Uniswap exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, OKX, Coinbase Trade, FTX, and L-Bank. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is the administration badge of Uniswap, one of the completely decentralized trades. Uniswap is a decentralized trade convention existing on Ethereum. It furnishes the Ethereum network with robotized market producers and in this way upgrades the simplicity of trading ERC20 token. Uni was sent off as an ERC20 token in 2020. Uniswap awards casting a ballot rights to the clients for partaking in the administration proposition of Uniswap. Uniswap stage empowers permissionless posting of ERC20 tokens. Any recorded ERC20 token gets its own trade shrewd agreement and liquidity pool on Uniswap. Clients can exchange ERC20 tokens easily and can likewise add to the liquidity pool. Liquidity suppliers procure a 0.3% expense for adding to the pool. The cost of tokens on Uniswap is resolved in view of the organic market of the tokens held up in the pool. Uniswap was sent off in November 2018 and the resulting overhauled cycles, V2 and V3, were sent off in 2020 and 2021 separately. Uniswap value forecast 2022. The above diagram of Uniswap spread out the flat channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern, to show how the cost is obliged between the upper line of obstruction and lower line of help. Flat channels are pattern lines that join inconsistent value ups and downs. As of now, Uniswap is in the scope of $6.47. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Uni could arrive at the opposition levels of $7 and $9.61. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Uni might tumble to $5.26. Uniswap backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Uniswap. From the above everyday time period, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Uniswap. The outlines show that Uniswap has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Uni could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $12.57. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Uniswap could dive to nearly $3.53, a negative sign. Uniswap value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Uniswap is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Uni lies beneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Uniswap is displayed in the graph above. White, Uniswap cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is in a vertical pattern. As of now, Uni has entered a bullish state. Thusly, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Uni whenever. In the meantime, the general strength record of the Uni is 55.36. This implies that Uniswap is neither in an overbought or oversold state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of Uni might happen in the impending days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Uniswap value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Uniswap. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Uniswap. As of now, the ADX of Uni lies in the scope of 15.15 and consequently, it shows a frail pattern. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall instability list of Uniswap. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Uni lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Uniswap is at 55.36 in this manner, affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Uni with BTC, ATH. The underneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Uniswap. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of Uni is like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of Uni increases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of Uni diminishes. Uniswap Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Uniswap could most likely accomplish $45 by 2023. Uniswap Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Uniswap could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Uni could mobilize to hit $65 by 2024. Uniswap Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Uniswap supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, Uni would mobilize to hit $85. Uniswap Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Uniswap supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Uni would mobilize to hit $105. Uniswap Value Forecast 2027. If Uniswap supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Uni would energize to hit $125. Uniswap Value Forecast 2028. Uniswap holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, Uni would hit $145 in 2028. Uniswap Value Forecast 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Uniswap, it would observe significant spikes. Uni could hit $165 by 2029. Uniswap Value Expectation 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the essential consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Uni for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Uniswap could hit $185 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the Uniswap network, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Uni. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Uniswap in 2022 is $12.57. Then again, the negative value expectation of Uniswap cost forecast for 2022 is $3.53. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the essential consideration token environment, the presentation of Uni would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $44.92 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $25 on the off chance that the financial backers accept that Uni is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is the administration badge of Uniswap, a decentralized trade convention on Ethereum that works with the smooth trading of ERC20 tokens. Uni was sent off in 2020. 2. Where might you at any point buy Uniswap? Uniswap has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Coinbase Trade, FTX, and LBank. 3. Will Uniswap come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and